Hello, this session will cover the Prebook Audit Log. So let's take a look at how that functions. From the Prebook menu, if I take option 6 for Prebook Reports, then option 12 for the Audit Log, we'll show you a couple of things that you can find in there that may be helpful from time to time. Most functions in the Prebook order system, as they get changed, write records into the Prebook Audit Log. So sometimes after the fact, if you're trying to figure out why something happened or who did something, so you can make some adjustments to policy, this is a good place to look when you're looking at Prebooks. You'll notice there are a set of records in here. If you sat through the other video on Prebook Global Tools, we changed a few things and you'll see some byproducts of those changes. For instance, changes as far as exporting. So there are different levels in here, are different types of data that are captured, exports, changes, things of that nature. So in that session, we changed a ship date to 2020, November the 1st of 2020. So you'll see that change happened. You can also see an item number. We did that during that session. We changed this particular item number from the old item number to another item number. So there are change type records in here. There are exports that occur. One good thing to know is that you can obviously put a date and time in. Often you won't know that. These system ID flags, as you look at it, will start to make a little more sense. So if I wanted to just look at things that were changed from the global price change tool, I can key that type of entry in. But sometimes an even more effective way is to go over here and look in the contain search where it searches through the string here. So if I say, look for change, let's see what that pulls up. So anything that contains the word change in there, if I'm looking for a particular item, I could key an item number in there and you will see some changes that were made related to that item. So that's a good way to look through and find some things. I will jump to another system to show a little bit more information. Now, when you're set up in the mode where you export automatically Prebook orders as other normal orders arrive from the field via a device out in the field, whatever that happens to be. If it attempts to pull a Prebook item through that doesn't have enough quantity to fulfill that line item, then it gets rejected. A lot of times people will call support and say, why didn't this item export? It should have. And 99 times out of 100, if you come to this screen, put that item number in or put the word quantity in, you will see that it did not export because the system deemed at that point in time that there was not sufficient quantity on hand to fulfill that order. So that's another good way to look at it. And you'll see here that I have used the word or the shorthand phrase QTY for quantity just to look for things of that nature. Obviously, by the same virtue, you could use the item number. So if you're looking for a particular item number that was shorted, why did that happen? You should be able to do something like that if I type it correctly. So anyway, that is the main takeaway, is there is a place called the Audit Log, which is available from the main Prebook menu, to go there and do some diagnostics. We'll have another section on Prebook links, which is a piece of this puzzle also, in the next section. Thank you.